Hello students, how are you all? I think you all are good and you all are well because you all are at your home. I request you all, please stay home, stay safe and wash your hand after 20 minutes because it is good for us and good for our family. So here we start a new chapter in our memory magic book. A chapter name is Marital Arts, which is on page number 16. So here we go to start the question. Before it, please take out the page number 16. The chapter name is Marital Art. Today we read about marital art. So here I read the question. The term marital art is used to describe different ways of defending oneself. Defending oneself means saving us from others by using different ways. Most of these art use body part as a weapon. Means our body parts like hand, leg, shoulders are using as a weapons. These days marital art are very popular among the children. Yes, it is true. Means marital arts are very popular among the children. So in the first pictures, number one pictures, we don't know what is it because we didn't see it. So if I ask to you that what is it inside it, just you are saying that two people are standing and having a stick in their hand and wearing a black dress. Just you are saying this now, but no, I will tell you a real thing what is happen in these pictures. These are two peoples. These are two Japanese peoples. This form is called a kendo. In the kendo, this form is called kendo. Let us define the kendo, meaning of kendo. A kendo is a Japanese form of fencing with two-handed bamboo. Means each of them having or holding a bamboo. Having and holding a bamboo sword. Okay. Originally developed as a safe form. Means it is used for safe to each other, okay, from others. Form of sword training of samurai. Means it is mostly doing in training. Come to next. Just if we are seeing these pictures, two persons fighting to each other. One is wearing blue dress, one is white dress. If I'm asking you a question, what is happen in this pictures, you are saying the same answer. Is it right? But in this pictures, what is it happening? It is called judo. So have to write there judo. Answer is judo. Let us I tell you about the judo. A sports from Asia in which two people fight and try to throw each other to the ground. That means in this sports, two peoples, maximum or minimum only two peoples. Okay, it is coming from Asia. In this game, two peoples fighting each other and throwing each other into the ground, to the ground. So it is called judo. Come to next, third. Same here in this pictures, two peoples wearing white dress, fighting to each other. All these games, all these sports, fighting to each other, but the types of different ways of fighting. Or next is third one is it's two peoples fighting to each other, holding one is holding their leg. I think it is karate. Let I discuss you karate. What is the meaning of karate? A style of fighting originally. Means originally we are fighting. Okay. A style of fighting originally from Japan. It is coming from Japan. From where it is coming? Japan. And judo is coming from Asia. And kendo is coming from Japan. Same Japan kendo and same karate Japan. Okay. In which the hands and feet are used as a weapon. Means in the karate, our hands and legs are used as a weapon, Clear the points? Come to next 4. Same in this, two peoples, all the numbers, all the pictures are same, like two people, okay. Come to next 4. In the 4, it is taekwondo, so firstly have to write here taekwondo. You see the spelling in bottom of the paper, all the spellings are here, just fill the correct answer in the boxes, okay. Come to 4, I explain number 4. In taekwondo, a modern Korean material art similar to karate, means somewhere it is same to karate, means what is happen in the karate same is happen in the taekwondo, okay. The name is different, but some of the types or some of the ways are maybe same here. Come to next 5. Same here, in same pictures I told you that two peoples, in this picture also two peoples, in this picture also two peoples, all the pictures having two peoples. Same in the fifth one is kung fu, the last option, that is kung fu. So write down in the box kung fu. Kung fu means I explain you a Chinese style. The first point is clear for you that this kung fu is coming from China. And taekwondo is coming from where? Coming from, same karate is here na, same here. So both of is coming from, tell me the answer, Japan. Yes, both of is coming from Japan. And from judo is coming from Asia, and kendo is coming from Japan. Means 1 2 3, number 1, number 3, number 4 is coming from same country, from Japan, and this is coming from Asia. And last one, 5th is coming from, last kung fu is coming from where? China, okay. I will explain you. Kung fu means a Chinese style of fighting. It is the Chinese style to fighting, okay, to fighting and using the feet and hand, using the feet and hand as a weapon. In the starting I was told you that I tell you that body parts use as a weapon, so all this marital arts, body parts are used as a weapon, okay. So here we complete the chapters. All the students, please fill up the right answers and fill up the right spelling also, okay. So thank you.